Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add a custom photo widget on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the App Store and search for the Photo Widget app. This app is completely free to download, so download it and open it right now. Now tap on the plus icon to create an album. Now name your album and tap on Confirm. Now tap on Load New Photo and select the photos you want to add. You can also add multiple photos here. Now tap on Add on top right corner. Then tap Complete. And we are ready to go. Now long press on the home screen and tap on the plus icon. Now search for Photo Widget. Now select a size and then tap on Add Widget. Now tap on the widget and then tap on Edit Widget. You can change the refresh interval time. And let's change the widget album. Select the one you recently created. And after every 5 minutes, the photo on the widget will change. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.